Welcome and thank you for joining me. I'm Gerald Oginski, a New York medical... I cut my head off. I'm a medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. Today's video tip is about a call I received yesterday from a woman who had watched one of my videos involving a colonoscopy where the doctor inadvertently made a hole in the patient's intestine. What happened? Well, as a result of the hole, the doctor failed to recognize in a timely fashion that the doctor made a hole, and as a result, in that particular case, the patient died. So this particular woman was telling me that her son's case was identical to what I had in the past. And after listening to her for about 10 minutes, I had to tell her that her case was not identical, and in my opinion, it was not something I could help her with. And I finally learned after 15 minutes of talking to her that she in fact had another attorney. And I said, I wish you had told me that from the very beginning. I asked her, I said, why, if you have a current attorney, why do you want to switch to another attorney? Why are you looking to go elsewhere? What she said to me was, because my first attorneys are not asking for enough money. I said, now I understand. I said, thank you very much, have a great day. The moral of the story is that every single case is different. Okay, you may have a similar situation compared to what you may read about or see on the web or on TV or read about anywhere else. But since each case is so individual and fact-specific, it is so important to get an experienced medical malpractice attorney to evaluate your particular case and not to compare apples to oranges or apples to other types of fruit. What this woman did not understand was that her case was not the same than the one that I described. But because they were not suing for the amount that she felt her son was entitled to, she decided to go look elsewhere. Now, I have to tell you that if you have a particular attorney, you have every legal right to go elsewhere at any given time. But keep this in mind. If you do ultimately switch attorneys, your first lawyer is going to have a lien against the proceeds of any money that you recover. What does that mean? It means they are entitled to get compensated and paid for the work that they did on your behalf. And that's it for today's video tip about a call I had yesterday from a woman who watched one of my videos. I want to thank you for joining me here in New York. I'm Gerald Oginski. Have a great day.